What's up YouTube, it's me again with another video. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So this is the one I purchased yesterday. I actually purchased this on Shopee the other day because I think this looks really cool. So let's try to unbox this. Alright, let's try to unbox this thing. Right inside we also got the instruction manuals on how to use the earbuds in your ears. Take a look at this for a sec. Alright, so next is the instructions inside here. It's kind of a bit stuck. There we go. However, here we also got several instructions on how to use it in two languages. This one is English and the other is Spanish. So let's put this aside for a moment. This one as well. On the inside we also got the headphones. Let's try to take a look at this first. Right on the inside we also got these two headphones which have nice quality. You can see right over here. Yep. Good quality headphones. Let's try to test them out right now. Oh, yes, this has a good quality. Right over here we also got some extra things here. Right over here we also got a charger which does not include a plug-in or I'm not sure what we call this, but please tell me in the comments of what we call this attachment for this charger though. And right over here we also got some extra I don't know what we call this. Probably this is for the headphones here. Random badge, whatever you want, try to replace it, including if it's lost or not, or it does not fit your ear, and then you do this. Wait a sec. There you go, and it should attach something like this. Great headset. And that is all for today, guys. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon for more videos. Peace.